How to link PayPal to a bank account. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets PayPal tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your bank account so that you can transfer money between the two accounts. This tutorial will be in the desktop browser on a computer or a Chromebook. If you're looking to do this in the PayPal app on your iPhone or Android phone, check the description because I will have a separate tutorial for that. All right, so to get started with linking your PayPal to a bank account, the first thing we need to do is simply go to paypal.com and log into our account. Once you're logged in, go up into the top menu and select Wallet. Then once we get to Wallet, go over and select Link a Bank. This will bring us to choose your bank, and what we need to do here is find our bank. So you can choose from the popular banks here, or you can go up and search your bank if you have a credit union or maybe a smaller regional bank. I'm just going to do Bank of America as an example. Once we get to here where it brings up your bank logo, you have two different ways to link PayPal to your bank account. First, you can link your bank instantly by providing your login information to PayPal so they can log into your account and gather the information that way. But if you're more privacy oriented like me, there's another way you can do it by scrolling down and select Link Your Bank Another Way. So the first route of providing your credentials is pretty self-explanatory. You basically give them your login information and select Agree and Link. So we're going to go through the second process of linking your bank account. And keep in mind, this does take 2 to 3 business days. So select Link Your Bank Another Way. And basically what we need to do is first provide the account type, either checking or savings, and then provide the routing number for the bank, and then your account number at the bank. If you don't have this information, you can contact your bank and I'm sure they'll be happy to provide it. Once you enter this information, simply select Agree and Link, and then it will take a couple days, but PayPal will send 2 transactions to your bank account, and they will look like this, of less than $1. Once the transactions show up in your bank account, all you need to do is go back to paypal.com, go back to your wallet in the top menu, find the bank account in the left menu right here, select it, and then under status, you'll see ready to confirm, and you just want to select confirm bank. This is where you can enter in the amounts of the 2 deposits and select confirm, and then your bank will be linked to your PayPal account. All right, so that's how you link PayPal to a bank account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more PayPal tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.